This is aloe vera is harvested. The leaves are carefully cut by hand. To avoid damaging the plants, leaves are washed and filleted to remove the outer green skin, exposing the clear inner gel. This gel is then processed in two main ways: refining or preserving its natural form. Refining involves filtering and purifying the gel to create a clear, smooth product often found in cosmetics, resulting in a more transparent gel. Alternatively, preserving its natural form means the gel retains more of its original plant fibers, making it appear more opaque and thicker.